Good morning, Year 2C. Today in our maths lesson we are going to look at multiplication. So here's an example of a word problem for you. Now there are 5 fish in each of the 3 ponds, and here they are here. And the question might ask you, how many fish do I have all together? So we know that when I hear the words all together, then we're going to be doing adding and counting them all up, okay? Now that's how addition and multiplication are linked. I'm going to show you. Now first of all, a question might ask you just to draw your answer. And here it is. Okay, that's quite nice. I'm just drawing my 3 ponds, or 3 groups, with the 5 fish in each. But what's the answer? Well, I know that it's 15. Okay. But what you could do is you could just add up all the fish one by one. Okay. However, sometimes you might have a lot more fish in these ponds or groups, so it will take you too long. Now, in year 2, we look at the 2 times table, the 5 times table, which we're using here, and the 10 times table. So we could use our knowledge of the 5 times table and count up in 5s. 5, 10, 15. There we go. But what does a repeated addition sentence look like? Now that sounds quite complicated, but it's really not. 5 fish plus another 5 fish plus another 5 fish equals 15. So this is a repeated addition sentence, okay? Repeating the same number. Now, what about a multiplication sentence? Well, here's one for you. 5 multiplied by 3 equals 15. This is the sentence for this picture and this word problem. Or you could have 3 times 5 equals 15. Doesn't matter which way these numbers go. So, I have got 5 fish in each of my 3 ponds. That's where I've got these 2 numbers from, okay? So 5 multiplied by 3 equals 15. So it's really useful to know that addition and multiplication are linked. They're really the same, okay? And that's where it's really great to learn your 2, your 5 and your 10 times table.